Viewers, do you want to learn about interjection? So be happy because today our topic is interjection. Before starting our today's lesson, we will review our previous lesson. The previous lesson was about adjective and kinds of adjective. So let's come to the point and have a view on interjection. What is interjection? An interjection is a word that expresses the sudden feeling of our mind. I repeat it. An interjection expresses some sudden feeling of mind. Viewers, interjection actually is a Latin word that has come out from two words, enter and jectus. Enter and jectus. Enter means between and jectus means thrown. So it is a word that thrown into a sentence. So it shows the sudden feeling of a mind, just like hurrah, oh, wow. Here are some examples for you. Hurrah, it shows the expression of happiness. Hurrah, our cricket team has won the match. Oh, what a beautiful rainbow. It is also showing the expression of surprising. Hello, Nveed, how are you? It is also showing the sudden feeling of a mind. So viewers, this was our today's lesson which was about interjection. Inshallah, I will be with you my next lesson which is about article. So before ending my lesson, I would like to request you please subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Allah Hafiz.